Hi guys, today our agenda, what is Apache Spark? How many APIs and libraries Apache Spark has? The first item, what is an Apache Spark? It is an open source distributed data processing framework designed for big data processing and analytics. Under the hood, it works on a cluster of computers. Again, it is an open source distributed data processing framework designed for big data processing and analytics. Under the hood, it works on a cluster of computers. First of all, what is cluster? A cluster is a group of networked computers that work together to store and process huge amounts of data. Cluster is a group of networked computers that work together to store and process huge amounts of data. Understand? Right. Spark is 10 to 100 times faster than Hadoop's MapReduce. Why? In some interviews, they ask question, why Spark is 10 to 100 times faster than Hadoop's MapReduce? The answer is very simple. So because of Spark having some features. So what are those features? In-memory computation, distributed processing, DAG execution model, data caching, lazy evaluation, inbuilt optimization. So because of these features, the Spark is 10 to 100 times faster than Hadoop's MapReduce. Guys, don't worry. I will give you a more detailed explanation on each and every Apache Spark feature in my upcoming videos. Next, there are two things in Apache Spark. Spark Core, a set of libraries. There are two things in Apache Spark. Spark Core, a set of libraries. First, we'll talk about Spark Core. Spark Core. Spark Core. So if you observe this diagram, the Spark Core has again two parts. One part, compute engine. Another part, Spark Core API. First, we talk about compute engine. Compute engine provides some basic functionalities like memory management, task scheduling, fault recovery, interaction with cluster manager and distributed storage. Again, compute engine provides some basic functionalities like memory management, task scheduling, fault recovery, interaction with cluster resource manager and distributed storage. It means whenever you submit any job to a Spark, the computation engine will take care of all these things. The computation engine will take care of all these things. Memory management, task scheduling, fault recovery, interaction with cluster manager and distributed storage. Got it? Right. The next part in Spark Core, APIs. Spark Core APIs. We have two types of Spark Core APIs. Structured API, unstructured API. We have two Spark Core APIs. Structured API, unstructured API. Data frames, data sets comes under structured API. RDDs comes under unstructured API. These two APIs are available in these languages. What are they? Scala, Python, Java, R language. These two APIs are available in these languages. What are they? Scala, Python, Java, R language. Understand? Right. If you look at here, outside of this Spark core, we have set of libraries that includes Spark SQL. It provides libraries, helps us to use SQL queries to process structured data. Spark SQL library helps us to use SQL queries to process structured data. Streaming library helps us to process real-time and continuous stream data. Streaming library helps us to process real-time data and continuous stream data. Here we can prepare mini batches. Here we can prepare mini batches. It is near real time. It's not 100% real time. It is near real time. We can prepare mini batches. Understand? Right. We can prepare mini batches for real time data. Next, MLE. So it delivers or it provides high quality machine learning algorithms. High quality machine learning algorithms. Situation to use one of the example of use case to use machine learning algorithms, recommendations. In an e-commerce platforms, when you select any item, for example Amazon, when you select any item to buy, it immediately generates recommendations: buy this product, that product. Like that, it generates recommendations. The backend for generating these recommendations, they use machine learning algorithms. Understand? Right. Next, graphics. Graphics. This library provides graphics algorithms. For example, one of the use case, social networking. In social network, if you want to know graphically how the people are connected mutually, then we can use these graphics algorithms to see graphically how the people are connected mutually. Understand? Right. As part of this training, we are going to cover Spark core library, Spark SQL library, streaming library. Understand? Right. So that's all about today's session. Guys, remember one thing. This is our first session. If you don't understand anything, as we move forward, you will understand everything. Okay? Right.